Question 9, the essay. Maybe not the most popular question in the whole paper, but here we go. Describe the structure of a broad bean seed. So, broad bean seed. So we're going to have an annotated diagram there. And then we got describe how a maize grain differs. So maize differs, and we could possibly have a diagram there. Then we have got factors essential for germination. So germination factors. So we're pretty clear about our three areas. So our diagram, you draw this in pencil. When you cut a broad bean seed, it's going to kind of look almost kind of kidney bean shape. There you go. And I think most people are happy that around the outside you've got the kind of seed coat. Ideally drawing it as thin as possible. And that has got a name, proper name, called the tester. So, seed coat or tester. You must have inside here somewhere the kind of baby plant, as it were, the embryo plant. And that's going to consist of a plumule and a radicle. So that might have kind of these sort of structures. So that's going to be the plumule and radicle. There's going to kind of be the shoot and the roots eventually. And what else do we need? So this will be kind of the embryo. That came from the gametes fused together. The zygote, and it's going to become the plant. All the rest of this seed is food, or it's going to get discarded. But this is the new plant. And we need cotyledon. So the rest of this is kind of this area, sort of in here, is a cotyledon. It's going to be our kind of food source. So you need some sort of a diagram like that. How the maize. So you can do a description of that and use your notes and so on. How the maize differs. Well, the maize, if you think of sweet corn, it's kind of this sort of shape, and the plumule and radicle will be sort of down there. So that's the plumule, radicle. Again, it's got a seed coat. So tester. And the difference really, one of the main differences is we've got kind of an area that's called endosperm. And we've got our cotyledon there. So you can describe some similarities, but differences. Well, this is one cotyledon, but this actually, when you open this out, if you open this out like a book, and you've got the other half of it there, if you open that out, you've got another cotyledon. So this is a dicot or a dicotyledon. This is a monocot there. Other differences. This bean is really a seed, whereas this is a fruit. The tester, the ovary wall are all fused, so tester, ovary wall are fused. We can talk about the endosperm, we can talk about the cotyledons. The maize has actually got another kind of little layer there, an alurone layer between the endosperm and the cotyledon. Similarities, they've both got this, we mentioned they've both got the plumule radicle, they've both got the embryo. So that's structure of the two seeds and sort of similarities and differences there. And the last part, which is germination factors. What do we need for germination? Well, the first thing we need is water. And again, there's a diagram in your notes showing how water gets in and mobilizes enzymes. So this required to mobilize enzymes. And then we can start using the enzymes to break down the starch into sugars that we can actually use in the growing, for the growing embryo. We need the right temperature, so suitable temperature. This seed wants to grow at the right time of year when the conditions are going to be right for survival of the plant. And what else do we need? We need oxygen for aerobic respiration. If you're saying light, well, these would probably be dark to start with, the underground, and then the light will be used by the new plant. So 9 marks for an essay on seeds.